Oh, 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 oh.
Amazing action.
She has a gummy.
She has a gummy?
A
Where'd
dog.
she get a gummy?
I don't know.
How did she get one?
'Cause she's chicken.
She's eating a gummy?
A drop. She got a drop.
Hey, where are you going, doggy? Get back here. That's a big dog house for a big dog. This is Katie. And I am Tyler. That is Lily. The dog.
Well, as you can see, she's a dog. I mean, does she look like a human in any way?
No. Now, time to look at the video.